Hey everybody, this is Dan from GemmyD on Cars. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Now this is a really cool all-electric truck. This is a Rivian R1T. This has a quad motor at each wheel, 835 horsepower, 0 to 60 in about 3 seconds. I don't know if we'll try that out today, but we're gonna go for a drive. So here we go. Oh, the seat wants to remember the owner. All right, here we go. All right, so I've been driving the Rivian for a couple minutes now, and it feels very nice. The visibility is excellent. It is very fast, which we're gonna go on my favorite route up here at Arcona Drive to Lisburn. And I am in sport mode. Now this, with lots of electric cars I've driven, has the brake regen, and if I let off the gas, it just completely stops. And it is definitely something I've talked to the owner about here, that it's a little bit, you got to get used to it a little bit, because there is the high brake regen and then the normal. And I mean, we talked to, you barely touch your brakes, like, ever. So meaning you will never have to buy new brakes. It's just interesting, something you don't think about. But yeah, this is very comfortable. The sound system is fantastic. It has the Meridian audio. It's just great. I have no complaints so far. And the owner of this truck also has a Tesla, and he says he enjoys it and it's comfortable. But I think the build quality in here is excellent. I don't think there are no panel gaps. I think the quality of the wood and the materials and the vegan leather is excellent. I don't think I have a problem with it at all. The software I think is decent. The map is very snappy. It's just a very solidly built truck, which is pretty good for a first attempt. All right, we're gonna get ahead of this person. They have a stop sign, but so yeah, I mean, quad motor, 835 horsepower. It is fast. Here we go. It doesn't. You really just hear the noise of the electric motors. It doesn't really have a noise, like I said, with like a Porsche Taycan has. And I will stress, this is a 7,000 pound truck, and it really feels pretty nimble on its feet for a truck. I mean, this is a big vehicle in the grand scheme, and a heavy vehicle, but it can still go like this. I mean, it's ridiculous. It's amazing how you're fighting the laws of physics to go that fast. I love this little sweeper right here. I mean, it's just, how do you do that? How do you make a vehicle this fast that is this heavy? I mean, it's just insane. This is a very impressive vehicle to drive. So we have the regen. I mean, there's no complaints. I mean, visibility is great. It looks fantastic. I really think I'm a sucker for design for vehicles. That's what held me in with the Bronco, but this Rivian has the most unique design out there. Now, once we crest this little hill up here, we're gonna punch it. Okay, we're in sport mode. Okay. Almost ready. I always like to go after this hill. Okay, I'm gonna give her the beans in 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, you can hear the wind noise. That's about all you hear. But I mean, that's just remarkable. It's so fast. I mean, to 830, I guess officially, this is the highest horsepower vehicle I've ever driven. I mean, it's just insane. Now the truck is fighting me to stay on the road. I'm not really going over the line, but oh, it's just so fast. Okay, another rip. I mean, it's intoxicating. You would not get sick of that. I know your range might suffer a little bit. Actually, I don't even think I mentioned much about the range in my previous video, but the range on this is about 328 miles, which is, I mean, more than enough. I know lots of people have the range anxiety that comes with electric vehicles, and I mean, how much do you really drive on your way to work every day? Not much. So that is more than enough for several days. I mean, I wouldn't worry about it at all. I sort of live dangerously and let my Bronco go down to 5 miles of range, and then I get gas. I mean, my wife is the exact opposite. She always says, "Oh, I need a half tank of gas at all times." But yeah, this is not going to be a Canyon Carver truck, but just the speed is just insane. Now, I've said many times in my video and earlier that this has so many thoughtful features, and it is not a cheap vehicle, but you get a lot of features and cool features, something that other trucks or vehicles never have. The Bluetooth speaker, the gear tunnel, it's just so cool. The little bird chirp that it makes when you lock the car, it's just, I don't know, I'm a sucker for things like that. I just think it's really adds to the experience of the vehicle. Cool little, I don't know if you call them Easter eggs, but cool little touches that these automakers have done. And I mean, this is the first attempt at an electric vehicle from Rivian, and I think they hit it out of the park. So we're gonna get back on the highway, and then I'll tell you how the highway driving is. Okay, we're getting on the highway in the Rivian. We're gonna give her the beans one last time. Okay, hold on, I need to re-grip here. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, look how fast I'm catching up with the highway speeds. Oh my God, okay. It's insane. Oh, what can this truck not do? Yes, okay, let's wrap this up as we are cruising on the highway. It is comfortable. It has supremely unique styling. I love the sort of, I don't even know what you call them in the front, these sort of eyes or where the turn signals are. Yeah, this is really one of the coolest, most interesting vehicles I've had the chance to review. It is fast, it looks great, it is a little bit expensive, but if you are into the outdoor life and you can afford an electric vehicle, this is 100% the vehicle to buy. Forget a F-150 Lightning. I haven't driven that, but those are too big and those are also expensive. Yeah, Rivian, good job. And big thank you to Bernardo for giving me access to this Rivian. Okay, I forgot to just do a little POV drive of the Rivian, and this is what it looks like to drive. Now, we're not gonna go crazy speeds, but just to get an idea of how fast this thing is. I'm going 71, as you can see, and boom. Yeah. I think you could tell by my face of the earlier parts of the video, but yeah, this truck is just, it's crazy. It's technologically advanced, it looks great. It's the owner said, and I agree, that you have to experience the driving aspect of it along with all the tech and cool features. So this is what it looks like to drive a Rivian R1T. If you like videos like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at GemmyD on cars. And we're going to go back to home base, but I'm going to enjoy this Rivian while I have a chance. I will see you in the next one. See ya.